Every day we make hundreds of decisions, some big, some small. But did you know many of those decisions are influenced by cognitive biases? Cognitive biases are mental shortcuts that help our brain process information quickly. They save time, but they can also lead us to make poor choices. Let's explore some common cognitive biases that affect decisions and how to spot them. Confirmation bias. We tend to look for information that supports what we already believe. We ignore anything that disagrees with our opinion. Example: you believe a certain diet works, so you only read articles that support it. Anchoring bias. We rely too heavily on the first piece of information we receive. That first anchor affects all later decisions. Example: if a shirt was $100 but is now $50, it feels like a good deal, even if $50 is still too much, no? Availability bias. We judge things as more likely if we can remember them easily. Just because something is easy to recall doesn't mean it's common. Example: after watching news about plane crashes, we think flying is dangerous even though it's very safe. Bandwagon effect. We tend to do what others are doing. If everyone around us believes or does something, we feel pressure to follow. Example: you buy a product just because it's trending, even if you don't really need it. Overconfidence bias. We believe our knowledge or predictions are better than they really are. Example: a person starts investing in stocks without enough research because they feel sure they'll succeed. How to reduce cognitive bias. Pause and think before making quick decisions. Ask yourself, am I seeing the full picture? Consider opposite opinions. Base decisions on facts, not feelings. Cognitive biases are a natural part of how our brain works. But by learning to recognize them, we can make better, smarter decisions. Thanks for watching. Start noticing your own thought patterns, one bias at a time.